Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 8, Lesson 1, Algebraic Expressions. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to evaluate an expression containing variables. All right, so what is a variable? A variable is a symbol, usually a letter used to represent a number or a quantity. An expression or an algebraic expression is an expression that contains numbers, variables, and/or operations. So notice down here, 5x, 2p minus 1, 9h plus 4. All right, so what does this mean? Let me show you. To evaluate an expression means to solve it. So coming down here, if I have a minus 3, and it shows me up here what these variables are worth. So a is worth 9. Oops, let me get my pen back. Nine minus 3 equals 6. Okay. 8, and when we have a variable right next to a number, it means 8 times b. 8 times 5 equals 40. Let's put that dot there to remind us. Okay, c is equal to 28 minus a, which is 9, which will get me 19. Okay, c is 28 divided by 4 equals 7. Okay, now remember when we have a number up in the air like this, it's a power. So we say 9 to the second power, which is equal to saying I need 2 times 9, not 9 times 2. It's telling me that I have the 9 2 times. So this would be equal to 81. B is 5, C is 28. That would get me 33. All right, moving on. Okay, now it's your turn to evaluate the expression. Okay. 2x to the third power is equal to 2 times 3 to the second power. Okay, now remember, I can't think of today. Exponents go before multiplication in the order of operation. So we're going to say 3 times. So we're going to say 2. And remember, the 2 tells us it's 2 3s. So I'm going to say 3 times 3. So now I'm going to have 2 times 9, and that's going to equal 18. Okay, for the next one, you should have said 3 times 9 equals 27, and then added the 7, because multiplication comes before addition. So that's going to get me 44. Okay, 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is equal to 25. And then I can say 25 minus 18 equals 7. All right, last one. 5 times 9 equals 45 plus r, which is 4, so I'm going to get 49. Great job. That's your first lesson in Unit 8. Go ahead and head back to Classcraft, and I'll see you back here for the next video.